Tips for Bali, Indonesia digital nomad.
1. Bali online profits. Monetize paradise remotely.
2. Content to cash. Share Bali, earn online.
3. Market island treasures. Sell Bali's best on the web.
4. Teach from Bali. Turn knowledge into virtual income.
5. Bali affiliate success. Explore, earn as an affiliate. 6. Virtual tours, real gains. Showcase Bali online for profit. 7.
Click, cash, capture. Sell Bali's beauty through photos.
8. Digital investments in Bali. Grow income online. 9. Bali consulting goldmine. Share expertise virtually. 10. Bali earnings via ebooks. Write and sell island insights. Click the link in our bio and follow us to stay updated.